Gentlemen, just a quick catch up on my begonias. Get them out from under here. As you can see, each one is going really well. One there. There's only one out, the 4 that hasn't produced an extra leaf. That's this one, but it will do. I've started feeding them now, so put that to one side. So there's that one there. Even this one, this is the same variety. And like, yeah, sending out a nice healthy shoot there. And then this one. So this is my begonia cuttings. They've been rooted in water, and then I potted them up in a mixture of 50-50 peat-based compost, and I think it's perlite, vermiculite, perlite I think it is, the white stuff. When I just put them into compost, a lot seem to die, but by mixing it like that, it seems to stop the rejection rate when you transplant them. So I would recommend that if you're taking cuttings, start them off in water, just one leaf like that. As soon as it gets roots, a decent amount of roots on it, then put it into these nice centimetre pots and mix up 50-50 perlite and peat-based compost. And then after a couple of weeks, you'll see roots start to develop on the top. You see them just there. And then I start feeding them with their diluted fertiliser. As you can see the roots sticking out there. That's when you know they're ready to start feeding. But yeah, these will be lovely. These will make really nice tubers, really nice plants for my hanging baskets this year. And I'm going to be ordering some £20 begonias. Quite expensive, but once I get them, I can take some cuttings off them. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and I hope you have a good Christmas and a happy New Year. And please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.